Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a wild one. Picture this. A legendary actor, a mysterious disease, a loyal dog, and a house that looked like it had been hit by a raccoon tornado. No, it's not the plot of a new Netflix docuseries called Oscar winner, Rodents and Cash, the Gene Hackman story. Although, Netflix, if you're watching, call me. But seriously, Gene Hackman. You remember him. Lex Luthor. Popeye Doyle. The guy who could make yelling at a sandwich feel like Shakespeare. Now imagine cops storming his house like it's the final scene in The French Connection. Tasers drawn, hearts pounding, probably tripping over a Roomba and a confused German shepherd. And then bam! Not one body. Two. One guarded loyally by a dog who deserves his own Disney movie. There's a messed up house, stacks of cash like it's Breaking Bad. ARP edition. And a mystery that even Scooby-Doo would need a flowchart to solve. This is the strange, sad, and totally WTF case of Gene Hackman and the final days inside his New Mexico home. Newly released Bodycam footage shows inside Gene Hackman's home after the actor and his wife, Betsy Arakawa, were discovered dead in February. Investigators later said Arakawa died of hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, a rare, rodent-borne disease, and Hackman is believed to have died about a week later of heart disease with complications from Alzheimer's disease. It's the moment cops enter Gene Hackman's home with guns drawn and tasers at the ready, moving carefully, not knowing what to expect. They stumble upon a grim scene, the body of the Oscar-winning legend. At the other end of the sprawling home, another poignant sight. Hackman's German shepherd named Bear, loyally guarding the body of wife, Betsy Hackman. The mystery of two bodies found far apart appears baffling. Another disturbing discovery. Detectives find messages on Bessie's cell phone from concerned friends. The house is a mess, and amid all the chaos, cops find wads of cash. More than $1,500 in all. Police say Betsy died first, and 95-year-old Jean Hackman, who suffered from Alzheimer's, lived another week and died of heart disease. Just released store surveillance videos also show Betsy's final shopping trip. On February 11th, she bought groceries from this Santa Fe supermarket. She had just 24 hours to live. She felt sick and wore a mask. Fearing she had COVID, she Googled the symptoms, but she never realized she actually had hantavirus, which is spread by rodents. And this is the final video of Betsy buying newspapers at her local CVS minutes later. Her car was seen entering the Hackman home for what would be the last time in a world where groceries are deadly and rodent poop is public enemy number one. One Hollywood legend faces his final role, surviving his own home. Okay, before we go full Law & Order Celebrity Mansion edition, let's take a deep breath. What if I told you this story involves Oscar-winning legend Gene Hackman, a mysterious death, a loyal German shepherd, a messy house, wads of cash, and wait for it, killer mouse germs? Yeah, sounds like an episode of Dateline written by a guy on too much cold medicine. But no, folks. This is real life. Real weird. Real tragic. And very, very confusing. Newly released Bodycam footage has taken the internet by storm, giving us a glimpse inside the chaotic, heartbreaking, and bizarre final days of Gene Hackman and his wife Betsy Arakawa. It's a story that sounds like it came from a Hollywood thriller, but with fewer car chases and more Lysol. First, you've got officers entering Hackman's Santa Fe home like they're about to take down a drug cartel. Tasers out, hearts pounding, probably wondering if this was going to turn into the next True Detective. Instead, they find a heartbreaking scene. Hackman gone. Betsy gone. And a loyal dog named Bear holding it down like he's auditioning for Homeward Bound 3. Loyalty never dies. Then it gets weirder. Cash lying around, mysterious texts, store surveillance of Betsy's final grocery run, and the culprit? Not foul play. Not even COVID. Nope, hantavirus. A disease so rare. Most doctors probably have to Google it. So what happened in that house? Why were their bodies found in different parts of the mansion like a murder mystery game gone wrong? And how did a rodent-borne illness end up being the plot twist no one saw coming? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.